Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about class 6 mathematics chapter 6, that is integers. And the topics we are going to discuss in this video are introduction of integers, representation of integers on the number line, ordering of integers. So let's start from introduction of integers. So first we will discuss about the whole numbers. Whole number includes 0 and all natural numbers. Okay, so natural number, as you have already discussed, it is a counting number started from 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards. All that are the natural numbers. If we include 0 to the natural number, we get the collection of whole number. Here is the representation of whole number and natural numbers in the number line. Now move to the number 0. What does the meaning of 0? The number 0 means absence of value or object. To represent there is nothing, in that case we use the value 0. If we have something, then we can represent that with the help of half, full, 5, 7. With the help of any number. To represent nothing, we have to use 0. In that case we can say that absence of value or absence of object. Now move to the negative number. The number with a negative sign which lies to the left of 0 on the number line are called negative number. So if we put a minus sign just before the positive number, or you can say that natural number, we get the collection of negative number. It is represented with the help of number line just to the left side of the 0. That is -1, -2, -3, -4 onwards. All these are the negative numbers. Now come to predecessor. If we move 1 to the left, then it gives the predecessor of that number. That we can say that predecessor means number -1. Here are some example. Predecessor of 34 is equal to 34 minus 1, that equal to, we can say that is 33. Here is one more example. Predecessor of 1000 is equal to 1000 minus 1, that is, if we subtract 1000 to 1, we get 999. Now come to the successor. Successor means just opposite of that one. If we move 1 to the right, then it gives the successor of that number. Or we can say that successor equal to number plus 1. If we add 1 to the number, then we get the successor of that number. Here are some example. Successor of 56 is 56 plus 1, that equal to 57. Successor of 9999, that equal to, we have to add 1 to the number. So 9999 plus 1, we are getting 10,000. Okay. Now come to the topic, that is integers. As you have already discussed about the whole number and negative number, so we can say that the collection of whole number and negative numbers together is called integers. If we add whole number and negative number, we get the collection of integers. So here is the number, that is -4, -3. All this, that is all negative numbers. All positive numbers including 0 are known as integers. So here is the natural number. If we add 0 to natural number, we are getting whole number. Okay. Then if we add negative number to that one, we are getting integers. Okay. Now come to representation of integers on the number line. How to represent integers on the number line? So here the first point is, to represent the integers on the number line, first we have to draw a line and mark a point 0 on it. First draw a line and mark a point 0 on it. So here is the 0, okay, which is neither a positive nor a negative number. Okay. After that, in the second step, then mark all the positive integers or positive numbers to the right side with the same distance, as it is 1, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. All these are the positive integers. So you have to write on the right side of the 0, okay, by marking or by putting equal distance between that numbers. That is 0 to 1. The gap between 0 to 1 is always equal as 0 to 1 to 2. That same as 2 to 3. the gap between any two consecutive number is equal always. That is 0 and 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 3. The gap are always equal. So we have to put the positive integers just to the right side of the 0. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. All these are the positive integers. We have to mention to the right side of the 0. Next step is the entire negative numbers we have to mention to the left side of the 0. That is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. All these are the negative integers. Okay, we have to write to the left side of the 0 by putting same gap as we are mentioning on the right side also. Okay, the gap between any two consecutive number, that is 0 and minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 3 is equal always. Okay, the gap are equal always. So in this way you have to draw a number line. After that you can represent the, suppose you have to represent 2 on the number line. What to do? Draw the number line and mark a point 2, minus 2 to represent that. Okay, now come to the representation with the help of some example. To mark minus 7, we have to move 7 point to the left of 0. Okay, so first step is you have to draw the number line. After that you have to move 7 step to the left of 0. Here is 0, so we have to move 7 step. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this way, here we reach the 7. So you have to put an arrow mark or you can circle it to represent 7. Okay, you can encircle that number or you can put a arrow mark just above that number to represent you are at number minus 7. Okay, next move to the ordering of integers. As you have already discussed about the number line of integers, so here is the number line. Okay, so from the above number line we can see that as we go to the right side the number are getting larger. Okay, if we move towards the right side from the 0 on the number line, then we get the larger number like 1 and 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. We are getting a larger number than that number. So we can say that if we move towards the right, we get the larger number. As we move to the left side on the number line, we are getting smaller number, that is 0 to minus 1, minus 1 to minus 2. In this way, if we move towards the left side of 0, we get the smaller number than that one. And if we move towards the right side, we are getting the larger number than that one. So we can say that any number to the right side of the number on the number line is greater than the number on the left side. Any number which is present on the right side of another number on the number line, that number is greater. Okay, so here are some example. 5 is to the right side of 2. Okay, 5 is present to the right side of 2 on the number line, so we can say that 5 is greater than 2. Here 5 is greater than 2. Next, 4 is to the left side of minus 2, right side of minus 2, so we can say that 4 is greater than minus 2. Minus 4 is left of minus 1. Okay, minus 4 is present on the left side of minus 1 on the number line, so we can say that minus 4 is less than minus 1. Okay, now come to some fact about the integers. Okay, any positive integers is always greater than any negative integers. If we compare positive integers with the negative integer, the positive integers is always greater than the negative integers. Second point is 0 is less than every positive integer. Okay, if we compare 0 with any positive integers, 0 is always smaller than that one. Third point is 0 is greater than every negative integers. If we compare 0 with any negative integers, we can say that 0 is greater than any of the negative integers. 0 does not come in any of the negative integers or either positive integers. It is a special number which is neither a positive nor a negative. That's all. Thank you.